Macro photography is a lot of fun. It can be used for beauty shots, capturing breathtaking images of wildlife, and just about anything you can imagine. In this video, we're going to take a macro look at some everyday food items. Some of them might be obvious, some might not be. I'll list the items in the description for reference. Macro photography is a genre with a lot of different styles and techniques. For this video, I'll be using a Laowa 100mm f2.8 ultra macro lens. This lens can achieve a 2:1 magnification ratio. I'll go into more detail about what these specifications mean in future videos. Feel free to drop a comment with any suggestions. Now let's take a look. As you can see, a lot of detail can be captured with a macro lens. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.